Alright guys, quick tutorial of the Honeywell hz311 zone board with only 3 zone, 1 heat, 1 cool fan in the purge. Let's take the door off. Alright, right now as you can see there's a red light on the heat. Red on zone 1, the green is zone 2, and red zone 3. The green light means zone 2 is on, and the red on zone 1 and 3 means zone 1 and 3 is off. This side is the equipment side, 24 volts, that sensor, zone 3 thermostat, zone 3 damper, which has a terminal of common, open, close. On the right hand side, repeat the same order, which is zone 1, thermostat 1, zone 2, thermostat 2. Color code is the same, but guys, you can't really pay attention to the color of the wires if it's an older house. Now, but if it's a newer house, this should be the original color code, which is red, blue, white, yellow, green. Red is for power, blue is for common, white is for heat, yellow is for AC, and green is for the fan. These wires go straight to the thermostat, which is on the first floor and the second floor. On this side, this wiring goes straight to the equipment, which is the furnace, air handler, or whatever on the opposite side of this zone board, which it should be controlled. As you can see, there is no common wire, referred to as the blue wire. Don't really need one, because when the ACO heat is not being used, one of those is being used as the common wire. Okay, this is the emergency switch. Let's move over to the furnace, which is a Goodman 80,000 BTU furnace, gas furnace. To the right side you have the zone damper, which you should have in case any of the zone dampers fail. Right now it's set for 0.5 in case there's over 0.5 static pressure in the system. This handle right here will open to relieve pressure from the plenum, supply plenum. In order to adjust this damper, you will have to handle like that and spin it in whichever direction you desire, plus or minus. Okay, up here we have the zone damper, shows the green for open. You only see that color if you have the green wire hooked up to the zone damper. If there's no green light, you will not see. If there's no green wire, you will not see a green light. You'll only see red for close. Okay, same thing over here on that damper, the first floor damper, which is closed, and you see the red light on it. And there's a red light down here on zone 1. That means there's no call for heat or cool. So those lights will be red.